right, ladies and gents. So if you're here now, you have already created this wonderful red triangle, rectangle, excuse me, that was large enough to go beyond the circle. It was at 2, 5, and I know I activated that with hashtag. And it has a width of 10 and a length of 20. All right, cool. So the command that I used was rectangle. In order for me to do the center point, I did hashtag. Oop, no tab. I did 2.5. Then I did the tab. Then I said 7.5. Then I pressed enter. When it asked me to specify the other point, I didn't specify another point. I pressed D, or you clicked dimensions, one of those, and pressed enter. Now, it asked me to specify the length. The length was first. So in this case, I pressed 20. The width was next. In this case, I pressed 10. The last thing it asked me to do was specify other corner point. That was just asking me which quadrant I wanted it in. I gave this to you already. Right click. Not right click. This should say left click. Top right area of workspace to complete. Oh no, it was right. Oh yeah, no. Left click top right area of workspace to complete. So remember, we moved our mouse up into this top corner because we wanted our rectangle to extend to the right and not down into or anything like that. All right. So guiding questions. What type of coordinates must you use to specify the starting point of the rectangle? Hint, is it relative or absolute? Well, since they gave it to me in XY coordinates, I knew that I'm going to use absolute coordinates because starting location was in XY coordinate form. Simple as that. When asked to specify the other point, what are the other input options? Area, dimension, and rotation. I gave that one to you. Don't worry about that. Now, you probably already read what this says, but humor me. Which dimension comes first, length or width? Well, if you don't remember, I already gave you the order that they asked you the questions. But if you do remember, either answer should say length comes first in AutoCAD. It just does. All right. You are now moving on to object number 4. You are now using relative, so pay attention. You've been doing absolute. You are now going to use relative. All right, have fun.